Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown, book 3. Open your countdown. Dear students, as we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2, that is number operations, come on page number 96. Students, today we are going to solve the remaining portions of our question number 17. Divide and write the remainder. Okay, students, as we have done our 4 parts of question number 17 earlier, so here we are going to do these 4 lines of question number 17. So students, let's start with our part E. Part E, in which we are going to divide 853 by the divisor 2. Let's divide it 2. Read the table of 2 till we get the number 8. Yes, 2 4s are 8. Next step is subtraction. We are going to subtract it. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we will bring this 5 down here. This will become greater from my divisor, so I can divide it further. 2 1s are 2s and 2 2s are 4. So students, I can write the 4 here. Next step is subtraction again. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here I am writing 1. 1 is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to bring this 3 down here. And this number will become the number 13. Now read the table of 2 till we get 13. Yes, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 6 are 12. Here I am writing the number 12. So student, next step is subtraction again. 3 minus 2 is 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, so can't divide it further, and this will become my remainder. Okay students, next is the part F, in which we are going to divide 764 by the number 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Can't write the 10, so I will have to write 5 1s are 5 here. 7 minus 5 is 2. So students, here I am writing my remainder here. Next step is bringing down the 6, because this 2 is smaller from my divisor. This will become the number 26. Now students, read the table of 5 till the number 26. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Here I am writing the number 25. Next step is subtraction again. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. This one is again smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 4 down here, and this number will become the number 14. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Can't write the 15, but I can write the 10 here. So 5 2s are 10. Here I have written the number 10 beneath the number 14. Next step is subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this 4 is smaller from my divisor, and this will become my remainder. And our quotient is 152. So student, next is our part G, in which we are going to divide 633 by the divisor 4. Let's compare our divisor with the first digit of our dividend. 4 1s are 4, because I can't write 4 2s are 8 here. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Here I am writing the number 2. Students, 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I will have to bring this 3 down here, and this will become the number 23. Read the table of 4 till we get the number 23 or smaller from the 23. So students, 4 5s are 20. Here I am writing the number 20. Next step is subtraction again. So students, 3 minus 0 is 3. And this 3 is being smaller from my divisor, so I am writing the third digit of my dividend down here. This will become the number 33. Now I can divide it. Read the table of 4 till we get the number 33. So students, as we know that 4 8s are 32, and 32 is being nearest to our dividend. So students, next is subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. As 3 minus 3 is 0, so this will become our remainder, as it is also smaller from my divisor, so I can't divide it further. Okay students. Next is the part H, in which we are going to divide 707 by the number 2. So students, as we know that 2 3s are 6. So I have written the 6 down here. 7 minus 6 is 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, so I am bringing this 0 down here. Now this will become 10. Now students, next is 2 5s are 10, as we have divided this completely, but our third digit of dividend is left. 10 minus 10 is 0. So here I am bringing this 7 down here. Student, next step is 2 3s are 6 again. So I am writing 3 in the quotient and 6 down this number. Next step is subtraction. 7 minus 6 is 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, so it will be my remainder. Look students, and our quotient is 353. Next is the part I. So students, let's compare it and start our division. So students, 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Can't write the 12, so I will have to write 6 1s are 6 here. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 5 down here, and this will become the number 25. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So students, I can't write the 30, I will have to write 6 4s are 24. Next step is subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. In the next, I have to bring this 4 down here, and this will become my number 14. So student, next is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. I can't write the 18, I will have to write 6 2s are 12 down here. And in the next step, that is the subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Can't write it here. So this will be my remainder, because this one is smaller from my divisor. Next step is the part J. So students, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. I will write 7 1s are 7 down here. 9 minus 7 is 2. So here I left with the 2, that is smaller from my divisor. So I will have to write the 3 here. This will become 23. Read the table of 7 till the number 23, as 7 3s are 21. So I am writing this 21 beneath the 23. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now students, I will bring this 6 down here, and this will become the number 26. 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. Can't write the 28 beneath the 26, so I will have to write again 7 3s are 21. Now students, next step is subtraction. As we know that subtraction started from 1's column. 6 minus 1 is 5, and this 5 is being smaller from my divisor, that is 7. So this will become my remainder, and my quotient is 133. Next is the part K. So students, the first digits of dividend and divisor are equal, so this can be done easily. 8 1s are 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So bring down this 9 down here. 8 1s are 8 again, because 8 2s are 16. Can't write the 16 beneath the 9. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. And this one is smaller from my divisor. Bring the 9 down. This will become 19. Read the table of 8 to get the 19. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Can't write the 24, I will have to write 8 2s are 16 here. So student, next step is subtraction again. 9 minus 6 is 3, while 1 minus 1 is 0. So this 3 will be my remainder, and my quotient is 112. Next is the part L, in which we are going to divide 979 by the number 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So students, 9 minus 8 is 1. Next step is bring this 7 down here and this will become 17. Now students, read the table of 4 to get the 17. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. As 16 is quite closer to it, so I am writing it here. 4 4s are 16. In the next step, 7 minus 6 is 1. So students, 1 is smaller from my 4, so I am taking this 9 down here and this will become the number 19. Next, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. Can't write the 20 here, so I am writing again 4 4s are 16 down here. Okay. Next step is 9 minus 6, that is the number 3 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. I will not write the 0 here, so this 3 is my remainder because this one is smaller from my divisor and I can't divide it further. Okay students, come towards our next question, part M. So students, let's compare it. So students, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Can't write the 10, I will have to write 5 1s are 5 down here. Next step is subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 is being smaller from my divisor, so I will bring this 0 down here and this will become 30. So students, read the table of 5 till the 30. Yes, tell me. 5 6 are 30. Very good. In the next step, 30 minus 30 is 0. So we will have to bring this 7 down here and this one is bigger from our divisor, so we can divide it easily. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Can't write the 10, so 5 1s are 5 here. Next is 7 minus 5, that is the number 2. This 2 is our remainder because this 2 is smaller from my divisor 5 and I can't divide it further. And our quotient is 161. Next is the part N, in which we are going to divide 998 by the number 9. So students, let's compare the first digits, as first digits are equal, so this one is very easy. 9 1s are 9. Next step is 9 minus 9, that is 0. So bring this 9 down here and again 9 1s are 9. So students, again 9 minus 9 is 0. So bring this 8 down here and this 8 is bigger from my, as this 8 is smaller from my divisor. Students, look at this. This 8 is smaller from my divisor. I can't divide it further, but this one is not my remainder because this is part of my dividend. I can't take it as a remainder. So how can I solve it? So students, 9 1s are 9, but we can write it as 9 zeros are 0. So I am writing it here, 9 zeros are 0. Next step is subtraction. When we are going to subtract it, the number will remain the same. Now this number is our remainder. Students, you can't write the part of our dividend as a remainder by taking it as unattended. Okay, if you are going to solve it and divide it further, then this will be your remainder. Okay, so our quotient is 110. Next is our part O, in which we are going to divide 5 1s are 5 because 5 2s are 10 and I can't write it here down. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring this one down. This will become my number 21. 5 4s are 20. So I am writing the number 20 beneath the number 21. 1 minus 0 is 1. So bring this 8 down because this one is smaller from my divisor. Now students, this is the number 18. I can divide it further by the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. Here I am writing 3 in the quotient and 15 beneath my number 18. Next step is subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now students, this 3 is being smaller from my divisor and I can't divide it further, so this will be my remainder. Okay students, and our quotient is 143. Next is the part P. Students, compare the first digits. So we are writing 6 1s are 6 down here. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 is being smaller, so we are taking this 3 down here. 6 2s are 12. Here I am writing the number 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. So bring this 5 down here because 1 is smaller from my divisor. This will become the number 15. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So I am writing 6 2s are 12 here. Okay. So students, next step is subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here the 3 is my remainder because I can't divide it further. Okay. Next is the part Q. So students, let's divide it. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here I am writing the 2 down here. This one will become being with it because this 2 is smaller from my divisor. Now this number is 21 and I can divide it by the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. I can write the 20 here. So I am writing 4 5s are 20 down here. Student, next step is subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1 and this one is smaller. So I am writing this 8 down here. This will become the number 18. Now I can easily divide it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Can't write the 20, but I can write 4 fours are 16 here. So 4 fours are 16 while 8 minus 6 is 2. So this 2 will become my remainder because this 2 is not divisible by my divisor. So students, here is our question, that is 154. In the next step, that is the part R, 3 threes are 9. This one is completely divisible. So next step is bringing this 4 down here and 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So students, I am writing the subtraction 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, can't divide it further without bringing this 7 down here. Now I can divide it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. So I can't write the 18. I will have to write 3 5s are 15 here. Students, tell me the next step. Yes, our next step is subtraction. 7 minus 5 is the number 2. This will be my remainder. Okay students, because I can't divide it further and my quotient is 315. Next is the part S, in which we are going to divide 7 ones is 7 down here. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring this 4 down and this will become the number 14. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Now students, 14 minus 14 is 0. So I am writing this 9 down here because this part of our dividend is unattended. Next is 7 ones are 7 because 7 twos are 14. Can't write the 14 beneath 9. So I am writing 7 ones are 7. In the next steps, 9 minus 7 is 2. This 2 is being smaller from my divisor. So I am writing it as my remainder. Okay students. Next is the last part of our today's question. Compare the first two digits. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Can't write the 9, but I can write 3 twos are 6 here. So students, 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring this 5 down here. This will become the number 25. So students, read the table of 3 till we get the number 25 or the number that is smaller from 25. 3 8s are 24. So I am writing the number 24 beneath the number 25. 5 minus 4 is 1. Let's bring this 0 down here and this will become the number 10. So students, 3 threes are 9. I can write 3 threes are 9 beneath the number 10. So students, you are writing 9 in the ones column but not in the tens. Okay. Let's subtract it. 0 minus 9. Can't do this, so we are taking this 1 as a carry and this will become the 10. So students, 10 minus 9 is 1. Now this one is undivisible by my divisor further, so I am taking it as my remainder. Students, and our quotient is 283. So students, we have solved all the questions of question number 17 till the party. You are going to do it on your notebook. Dear students, as we have done our question number 17 completely till the party. Okay students, do practice of these questions on your notebook by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.